In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Google Forms. We will do this using an add-on called Payable Forms, which is a simple way to calculate a total and then show a payment link after someone submits your form. Start by going to forms.google.com and create a new Google form. Give your form a clear title so respondents know what they are paying for. Then add the fields you need, such as name and email. Next, add a question that lets people choose what they want to purchase. A drop-down or multiple-choice question works well for this. As you write each option, include the price in the option name, like Service A $50. This keeps pricing clear for the person filling out the form and makes it easier to confirm totals later. Once your form is ready, install the add-on. In the top right corner of the form editor, click the 3 vertical dots to open the More menu. Choose Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace window, use the search bar and type Payable Forms. Select Payable Forms in the results, then click Install. Review the prompts and permissions, and complete the installation. When it finishes, click Done. Now you will configure payment settings. Back in your form, click the puzzle piece icon for add-ons. Find Payable Forms in the list, open it, and choose Configure Payment Settings. When prompted, connect your PayPal account. Make sure you sign in to the correct PayPal account you want to receive payments in. Then select PayPal as your payment provider. Depending on what you see, you may be able to choose a PayPal option such as Standard or Commerce. Use the option recommended in the add-on setup for your account type. Next, activate payments on the form. In the Payable Form settings, turn on the option that makes the form payable. Before sending it to real customers, set the form to test mode first. This is important because it lets you confirm that the checkout link appears correctly and that the total matches the item the respondent selected. Finally, run a quick test. Submit a response yourself. Complete the form as a user would, and check the confirmation page. You should see a link that takes you to a checkout page to complete payment. If everything looks correct, you can switch out of test mode when you are ready to collect real payments. That covers everything you need to know.